Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can recover your account on GoCardless. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser and now you need to search for the GoCardless in Google. So once you do that, you can see there is a link at top on in the screen. So let's tap on the link first and you will be redirected to the official page of the GoCardless. So now you can see there is a 3 lines at the top left corner of this homepage. So let's tap on the 3 lines and let's tap on the login. So now to recover your account, you can see there is a forgotten password shown in the screen. So let's tap on the forgotten password and make sure you remember your email address. So let's tap in the email address and let me verify myself first. So let me enter my email address in here manually. So now once you complete your email address, simply tap on the submit. And now you need to verify yourself first. So let's wait for the mail. And you can see I have received the mail. Simply tap on the mail, and now once you do that, you can see there is a reset password in here. So you simply need to tap on the reset password and you can choose any of the browser from here and you can change your email address from here successfully. So I'm not gonna do it for now because I know my password. So basically this is how, and this is the process to change your or recover your account. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.